Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of Teakwood Leathers suitcase. This is a medium-sized suitcase. What I'm going to unboxing. This is for the travel purpose, and I'll tell you about the details about the build quality and the overall impressions on this Teakwood Leathers suitcase. Yeah, this is the package what I have received. I ordered this on Myntra. Yeah, and the color is silver, whitish silver, and I pretty much like this color. Yeah, and I'll explain you the price details, and I'll also show you the online availability, means on the Myntra store where I have purchased this. I'll show you the details of this suitcase. So let me just show you the first initial look of this Teakwood leather. Yeah, this is the suitcase. There is a top handle and also a side handle. See, this is the top handle. There is a side handle also. Yeah. So yeah, as I said, the color is of something like slightly silver white. And let us first of all check the online availability. See, Teakwood leathers, which is of 57-liter capacity, medium size trolley bag, and currently it is showing for 1699, and I also purchased for the same price. And if you check the product details, silver textured hard sided medium size trolley bag with zip liner and two handles, what I have just shown you, the top one and the side one. And if you can see, there is a zip lining with sub compartments. So I'll be showing you in the video. I'll be opening the suitcase and I'll show you the zip lining and the sub compartments in it, and it is water resistant. You can clean it with wet cloth. Yeah, these are the specification, and the material is polypropylene. Yeah, let us get back to the video. So I'll show you by just opening the zip of the suitcase, and I'll show you the inner compartments. Okay, yeah, let us get back to the video. So yeah, this is the zip one. I'll be just, let us keep it down. Yeah, there is a lock also, number lock. You can use that number lock for the protection purpose during the travel or something like that. Yeah, when you open the zip, as I said, there are compartments here. Yeah, and this compartment also has a zipped one. See, this is the internal zip, so you can keep the luggage. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks.